Hello, this is Ricky with Service Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life on a Chrysler 200. So for step 1, you want your ignition to be on. To do this, you want to press the start-stop button twice to start the ignition. You don't want to start the car, just the ignition. After that, you want to press either the down or upwards arrow on the left side of the steering wheel, as you see in the image here, until you see vehicle info. So now for step 2, with vehicle info displayed, press the left arrow until oil life is displayed. Once oil life is displayed, you can reset it in two different ways. Either you hold the OK button on the steering wheel until it says 100%, or you can press the accelerator pedal 3 times. Then it will also say 100%. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.